How can you firm up a mattress? If you're waking up with aches and pains because your mattress has become too soft, you're probably wondering how to make it firmer. Let's explore some practical and easy solutions to help you get the support you need for a good night's sleep. First, one of the simplest ways to firm up your mattress is to add a mattress topper. These toppers come in various firmness levels, so you can choose one that is specifically designed to add extra support and firmness to your mattress. This is a quick fix that can make an immediate difference in how your mattress feels. Another method is to flip or rotate your mattress regularly. However, before you do this, make sure your mattress is designed to be flipped. Some modern mattresses, especially hybrid ones, are not meant to be flipped, so rotating them is a better option. This helps distribute the filling evenly and prevents one side from becoming too worn out. Temperature can also play a role in the firmness of your mattress. If you have a memory foam mattress, it's likely to soften in warmer temperatures. Keeping your bedroom cool can help maintain the firmness of your mattress. This is especially true for foam mattresses, which tend to mold to your body contours based on your body heat. Pulling your bedding tight can also make a difference. By keeping your sheets and other bedding flat and tightly fitted, you can add extra pressure to the mattress, making it feel more supportive. This is a simple habit to get into. Just pull your bedding tight every morning. If your mattress is sagging due to a weak base, you might want to consider adding plywood support. Placing a thin plywood board between the mattress and the bed frame can provide a firmer foundation. However, it's important to check with the mattress manufacturer first, as some materials, like memory foam, need good breathability to avoid mold and bacteria growth. Moving your mattress to the floor is another option, but be cautious. While this can provide a firmer surface by removing the extra cushioning of a box spring or bed frame, it can also lead to mold and mildew if the mattress is not aired out regularly. Make sure to air out your mattress in the sun periodically to keep it dry and firm. For some mattresses, especially those with replaceable comfort layers, you can replace the worn-out layers with new ones. This can restore the original firmness and support of the mattress. Check your manufacturer's policies to see if this is an option for your mattress. Finally, keeping your mattress dry is crucial. Moisture can make your mattress softer over time. Air out your mattress regularly by removing the bedding and opening your windows. This helps to dry out the mattress and prevent it from becoming too soft. By trying out these methods, you can significantly improve the firmness of your mattress and enjoy a more comfortable and supportive sleep.